Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best men's bifold wallet made from genuine leather. This Claasico men's bifold wallet offers a blend of style, functionality, and security that stands out in the crowded market of men's accessories. From the moment you hold this wallet, the premium quality of the genuine leather is immediately noticeable. It boasts a smooth, luxurious finish that not only looks elegant but promises durability and a timeless appeal. This is a wallet designed to last and to age beautifully over time, enhancing its character with every use. One of the key features of this wallet is its thoughtful design. It balances ample storage with a slim profile, making it easy to carry without bulk. Inside, you'll find 4 visible card slots, perfect for your most frequently used cards, plus 2 additional hidden card slots for those extras you don't need every day. The clear ID window is perfectly positioned for quick access, making it easy to show your identification without fumbling. The wallet also includes 2 large bill compartments, allowing you to organize your cash and receipts neatly. Despite this spaciousness, the bifold design keeps everything compact and streamlined, ideal for fitting comfortably in your pocket. Security is a priority with this wallet thanks to its advanced RFID blocking technology. This built-in protection helps safeguard your personal information by preventing unauthorized scans of your credit cards and ID. It's a modern feature that adds peace of mind when you're on the go. Another aspect that makes this wallet special is its presentation. It arrives in a sleek, stylish gift box, making it an excellent gift choice for birthdays, Father's Day, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful and practical present that combines luxury and utility. The Claasico men's bifold wallet measures approximately 4.4 by 3.3 inches, weighing just under 4 ounces, which underscores its slim and lightweight nature. It's designed for men who appreciate quality and style without compromising on everyday practicality. Maintaining the wallet is simple. A dry cloth clean is recommended to keep the leather looking its best. This care routine ensures that the wallet retains its elegance and durability over time. In summary, the Claasico men's bifold wallet excels in craftsmanship, functionality, and security. It is a genuine leather wallet with RFID protection, a smart organizational layout, and a slim profile that suits any modern man's lifestyle. Whether you're buying for yourself or as a gift, this wallet delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights.